687 in 10 minutes. Wow. Hi, welcome to DayTradeToWin. All of our day trading strategies and scalping strategies have had a fantastic morning. First we had the crude oil futures. The Atlas line gave us a long signal at 60.17. The profit target based on the current volatility was 0.16, and this target was reached here in no time. The tick value of crude oil is $10 per contract, so that would have been $160 per contract. If you trade 5 contracts, that would have been $800. That's pretty good for 10 minutes of trading, if you ask me. Then we had the at the open 2 day trading strategy that gave us a long signal in the E-mini S&P500 at 3,025. Our profit target of 2.75 was also reached here within 10 minutes. The tick size, meaning each tick in the E-mini S&P500, is worth $12.50 per contract, so that's $137.50 per contract. If you trade 5 contracts, you would have made 687 in 10 minutes. Wow. And then moving on to the Trade Scalper and the E-mini S&P500. This morning's volatility has just been fantastic for this scalping strategy. We have 12 winning trades here and 2 losses, so that's an awesome win ratio. 12 winning trades, each with a 3-tick profit target. That would have been a gross profit of $450. If you trade the same 5 contracts, that would have been $2,250. There's a lot of exciting volatility in the markets right now, perfect for day trading and scalp trading, so you don't want to miss out. Go to daytradetowin.com to get our strategies that you can download and get started day trading today. Until next time, good trading.